Did you know your WordPress blog could be getting more traffic from readers in multiple languages? Instead of creating more content, you can automatically translate your WordPress blog and get more value from the articles you've already published. Hey there, I'm Carmen, and in this video I'm going to show you how to translate your entire WordPress blog with AI using TranslatePress, quickly, easily, and without hiring translators. But before we jump into the setup, let's quickly talk about why translating your blog matters. If you're investing time into writing blog content, translating it can help you reach new audiences in multiple languages, increase organic traffic from search engines, expand into new markets if you're selling products or services, and get more value from existing content. And unlike creating new content from scratch, you are simply unlocking new possibilities for what you already have. The tool we'll use is TranslatePress AI. It's TranslatePress built-in AI translation solution that automatically translates your website without requiring API keys, external translation accounts, or a complicated setup. Under the hood, TranslatePress AI combines multiple translation engines and intelligently chooses the best one for each language pair, helping deliver the highest possible translation accuracy for different languages and contexts. And because translations are stored in your WordPress database, your blog remains fast and fully under your control. The translations are fully yours to keep and also edit. Let's see how it works. If you don't already have TranslatePress installed, go to Plugins, Add New, and search for TranslatePress. Then install and activate the plugin. After activation, you'll be guided through the setup wizard where you can select your default language, add a second language to translate your WordPress blog into, enable a language switcher, and activate your license or create a free one to enable automatic translation. As you can see, it works using something called AI words, and you already have some available. AI words simply refer to the number of words included with your license. These words are used by TranslatePress AI to translate your site. So every time a word is translated into another language, it counts toward your usage data. Each license includes a certain number of AI words, including the free one. You can also monitor, limit, and top up your AI words usage. And finally, if you have a pro version of the plugin installed, you can enable additional add-ons for extra functionality. For example, Multilingual SEO or automatic user language detection. Once the wizard is complete, you're ready to start translating. No API setup, no external accounts, no extra integrations. Now let's open a blog. First, you'll see the original version. All you have to do is use the language switcher that TranslatePress added to your site and choose the second language of your website. As you can see, the title, content, buttons, navigation elements, and other visible texts are all translated. When a translated blog post is accessed for the first time, TranslatePress AI automatically generates the translation. After that, the translated version is stored and reused for future visits. This means every blog post only needs to be translated once, so you don't have to worry about using too many AI words. One question I get a lot is what happens when I publish new blog posts? The good news is that TranslatePress AI automatically detects new content. So whenever you publish a new article and visit it from the front end, it will be automatically translated just like the rest of your multilingual blog. Even though AI translations are usually very accurate, you're still the human here and have full control over your site. So if you ever decide you don't agree with a specific AI translation or simply want to use different words, you can simply edit any translation at any point. Click Translate Page, hover over any element or text and click the pencil icon. This lets you fine-tune your translated WordPress blog manually. For example, you can adjust the tone, fix phrasing, or optimize keywords for SEO in a specific language. Just update the translation and save. One of the biggest benefits of translating your blog is multilingual SEO. Now, translating the article itself is important. However, search engines don't just look at your content. They also look at SEO titles, meta descriptions, and other metadata to simply understand what your page is about. So if you're translating your blog properly, you're improving your chances of ranking in multiple languages. That way, Someone searching in Spanish will see the Spanish SEO title and meta description, while someone searching in German will see the German version. In TranslatePress, you can tackle this using the SEO Pack add-on, which is an advanced feature available with a Pro license. It lets you translate important SEO elements that search engines use, such as SEO titles and meta descriptions. All you have to do is go to your WordPress dashboard, Settings, TranslatePress, Add-ons, and activate it. Once active, TranslatePress AI will also scan your SEO metadata automatically, along with the rest of your blog, and translate it as well. And of course, if needed, you can also review and adjust them manually, just like any other translation. And that's it. You now know how to translate your WordPress blog with AI using TranslatePress. No matter what your website is about, translating your articles can help you unlock new possibilities without creating content from scratch. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for even more multilingual WordPress tips and tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy this video? Make sure to check out my other tutorials on the channel to take things a step further.